Before you buy a company, invest in a startup, or enter a joint venture in Vietnam, you need to ask one question: what don't I know yet? Legal due diligence isn't just paperwork. It's how smart investors avoid disaster, discover hidden risks, and buy with confidence, not hope. At LTS Law, we've helped clients uncover labor disputes, tax debts, unlicensed operations, and unregistered intellectual property, all buried beneath clean financials. One client nearly bought a logistics firm with $10 billion VND in hidden tax penalties. We flagged it in 4 days. They renegotiated and saved the deal. Legal due diligence in Vietnam is your protection in a fast-growing, fast-changing legal environment, where paperwork may not reflect reality. So what does an effective legal due diligence, LDD, report include? It starts with a deep dive into the company's legal status, history, and future exposure. We analyze corporate documents, business licenses, investment certificates, company charter, board resolutions, and capital contributions, everything that defines ownership and legality. Then we review contracts, customer agreements, vendor deals, NDAs, employment contracts. Are they valid? Are they enforceable? Are they even signed? Next, we audit labor compliance, employment types, salary structures, social insurance, internal policies, disciplinary actions. Because labor law in Vietnam is strict and mistakes are costly. We also review tax filings, financial statements, and look for red flags, unpaid VAT, under-declared income, or irregular PIT declarations. You don't want the tax office knocking post-acquisition. Then there's intellectual property. Is their brand actually registered? Are software licenses real or pirated? Is that design even theirs? We've seen founders owning nothing. Litigation check? Absolutely. We search public records, court databases, and internal dispute history, because pending lawsuits can follow you into the deal, or block it entirely. Real estate and leases, often overlooked, can delay operations or lead to eviction if the right permits aren't in place, especially for factories, schools, or retail chains. In Vietnam, legal compliance is a mix of central law, local practices, and quiet risks. We don't just read laws. We interpret real-life exposure from experience. Our LDD reports are bilingual, business-friendly, and prioritized by urgency. Red flags first, fixable risks next, non-issues last, so you don't waste time. Whether you're a VC firm looking at Series A, a PE fund buying 100% equity, or a multinational exploring a joint venture, we tailor the scope and depth to match your risk. Last year, we conducted dozens of legal due diligence reports, from small seed stage audits to 30 million USD acquisition reviews in fintech, education, manufacturing, and logistics. And we don't stop at problems. We give you actionable solutions. How to remedy compliance gaps, renegotiate deal terms, or restructure the deal to reflect legal reality. One startup used our report to reduce acquisition price by 18%. Another paused an investment because we found their key product was unlicensed. The seller hadn't mentioned it. Due diligence also builds trust. Investors feel safe. Boards feel informed. Sellers feel respected. It turns a risk into a roadmap. Need results fast? We offer red flag reports in 5 working days. Full reports in 10, 15. When speed is key, we deliver clarity, fast. For sellers, we also provide vendor due diligence, helping you clean up and fix issues before going to market, so buyers see confidence, not chaos. Our process is secure and confidential. We sign NDAs, use encrypted file sharing, interview management with sensitivity. Your trust is our foundation. If you're buying blind, you're gambling. If you have LTS law on your side, you're making informed, strategic moves backed by real legal insight. We've helped global brands, Vietnamese conglomerates, family offices, and angel investors see what others missed and make better, smarter deals. Your success in Vietnam depends not just on capital, but on clarity. LTS Law gives you both: confidence and compliance, insight and action. This is more than a report. It's your legal map, your negotiation shield, your safety net. And it's the smartest investment before any investment. Before you invest, make sure you investigate. Contact LTS Law for a free consultation or visit lts.com.vn, where smart deals begin. We help you see clearer, decide smarter, and grow safer. Every deal, every time.